ćemo da nam se vide malo. Evo malo posla.
Sad ih možda pobliš nekog tamo u kadru.
Ajmo, gasa! Dobar. Vira! Dolazi jaki refund.
When you feel the pressure is going up, you pull.
Pull.
But when we go uphill, when you feel the pressure, you push. Trim.
Having your life in their hands. I'm not really worried, to be honest.
Okay. That's it. To. Pozdravim.
Enjoy, guys!
Normalno, evo sad je normalno.
Tako neka.
We are here to have a fun experience. I would say I'll be doing some sailing with the Red Bull guys, and first thing we have to plane with the fly behind me. I think will be quite nice. Will be my second time for me in an helicopter. So yeah, with a nice weather, I think will be cool.
We are going to take the helicopter and fly to the beautiful coast of Croatia and do some sailing. I'm really looking forward to it. Something new to me. And also to discover a bit more of the landscape of Croatia. Obviously we have seen the stages and Zagreb itself, but now we're gonna discover the seaside.
We are here in Vodice today for a pre-event. The WRC Croatia Rally would like to promote Croatia as much as possible, so we want to compare the racing cars, and we brought a couple of drivers from P1 to see the difference between a racing boat and racing cars. So we are doing a fantastic promotion together with ACI and Red Bull, and we are very happy to be here today, so I hope everybody will enjoy it.
I think it's a really nice place to train every day. I would say it's really nice. The course is beautiful, and the weather is really nice. It's not too warm, not too cold, and we can feel some water sometimes. So it was good.
Yeah, overall a really great experience, and like Adrien said already, huge teamwork and small single details which makes the difference between a victory or losing a competition as well. Sometimes 1 or 2 degrees of the sails can give you so much more speed, and I enjoyed this whole meeting both brothers, the Fantela brothers, which were really kind to us and give us a good introduction and what sailing is about, and definitely hungry for more.
For sure, the speed is not as high as our speed, but for sure they play a lot more with the nature. I would say as I said, they can read the sea and see where the wind is coming over the sea. So it was really interesting to see that sometimes you have downtown and then they are catching the wind after, and etc. So it's different, but I think the thing is a bit similar.
It was really great today. We had beautiful conditions. Strong bura, which is something that we really needed to show these guys what is speed in sailing. So I really feel that they felt this sensation that we feel in the strong breeze. They were really good. They could even after 10-15 minutes they could feel the what is needed, how to steer the boat through the wind and waves. So really nice experience for us, and I hope for them as well. Now we are hoping for a call that we go to sit in the car.
Evo, ja sam Viliam Prodan, nalazimo se na Zagrebačkom aerodromu i evo, jedva čekamo da s ovom letjelicom poletimo za Vodice, idemo jedrit. Danas ne vozimo trke, danas jedrimo. Novo iskustvo u životu i jedva čekamo.
Dobar dan, poštovanje, ja sam Jura i sad ćemo letiti. Prvo idemo u Vis gore, a onda ćemo poslije objasniti gdje smo došli, jer još uvijek trenutno to ne znam ni ja. Poštovanje, dobar dan, ja sam Jura, nalazimo se u zračnoj luci, a iza mene se nalazi zrakomlat ili helikopter. Dakle, sad idemo u Vodice i idemo jedrit, navodno. Tako da ću vam se javiti kad dođemo dolje.
Danas smo ovdje u Vodicama da promoviramo WRC Croatia Rally u suradnji sa ACI-em i Red Bullom. Došli smo u prekrasne Vodice da malo usporedimo natjecanje u trkačkim automobilima zajedno sa trkačkim jedrilicama, i mislim da će ovo biti fantastična promocija za sport općenito i za Hrvatsku.
Stvarno jedno lijepo iskustvo, jedno novo, nismo to do sad nikad radili. Uvjeti su nas stvarno poslužili, bilo je jake bure, baš što je trebalo da ih malo, da se malo prestraše. Šalim se, bura, lijepo sunce i toplo vrijeme. Stvarno smo uživali. Drago mi je da smo im pokazali naš sport, da smo im pokazali jedrenje kako to izgleda iz prve ruke. U biti praktički držali su timun danas sva četvorica pa znaju kakav je osjećaj.
Trudili smo se objasniti maksimalno u ovo kratko vrijeme i objasniti im naš sport. Momci, mislim, to su sportaši, mislim da bi brzo uhvatili ruku jer to su neke sličnosti. Brod je dosta senzitivan, a pretpostavljam da tako i u WRC-u moraš biti točan na svakom zavaju, inače je problem. Tako i ovdje, tako da mislim da je dobro bilo.
Dečke ne poznamo osobno, evo sad smo se upoznali. Vidim u njihovom žaru da u principu nije ni čudno što su olimpijski pobjednici. Profesionalci top, mislim upravljaju s brodom, ono ko kad mi uzmemo sendvič idemo pojesti. Evo tako, to je njima brod, znači dečki znaju šta rade i u principu od njih možeš samo naučiti. Ako budem ikad učio u tome, javit ću se njima.